Yo, what's up everyone? Today we're going to be playing World of Warships. Oh, I forgot to say, this is not going to be a banger video. So if you don't know what World of Warships is, it's basically World of Tanks, but with warships. Okay, that's the only thing I can tell you. I won't really explain it because it's free to download on Steam. So if you want it, you can definitely get it. We're going to fight, and also I have played the game before this, so I could know how to play it because I haven't played it. 5 hours later. Okay, come on, I'll not make a SpongeBob. Shift, what does shift? Oh, I need to press shift. So also, if you haven't watched Dutch, go if I read this. Yeah, more. Yeah. Oh, that doesn't. Yeah. I'm Japanese. Not really. Speak it chunky.
Maak het zo moeilijk. Beman de stations.
Going on. Oh, wait a minute. Ah. Where are you guys?
Vijandelijke schepen gedetecteerd. Vijandelijke torpedobootjager gedetecteerd.
Where? There. Fire!
Vijandelijke kruiser gedetecteerd.
Oh.
Vijandelijke torpedobootjagers gedetecteerd. Vijandelijke kruisers gedetecteerd.
Yes, I know. Damn it! I gotta get close. This is very hard to control. Nanny? Hey, you want the ass plate?
Ons team heeft de leiding genomen.
Wait a minute, you're not behind that? Oh. Whoa! Go. You might be, why is this useless? I need water for first oxidation. Come on. Yes.
Onze overwinning is binnen bereik.
Die. Die. Come on. Such a dangerous thing. Oh, that was yeah. Die. Really? Oh. Good turn. We win or lose? Let's go! Oh, that was it. Can I get a boat? I'm gonna search. Go. Can I get it? Do I have it now? Oh no, I just okay. And whatever. Let's do another one. Oh. Oh!
Beman de stations.
Veel geluk op de hoge zeeën.
Oh, that went full hard. Maybe that was what I'm saying.
Alle donders.
No, not too far. No. Okay. Die. Come on.
Vijandelijke schepen gedetecteerd.
Whoa. Come on.
Vijandelijke kruiser gedetecteerd. Vijandelijke torpedobootjagers gedetecteerd. Vijandelijke kruiser gedetecteerd.
No, don't die. Oh, I am no.
Torpedo's, recht vooruit.
There are torpedoes? Yes. Fire. Raka. Die, die, die. Come on, it lags a little. Hey. Yes.
Torpedo's, achter ons.
Oh, there are torpedoes! Go, go, go! Got him.
Ons team heeft de leiding genomen.
Yes. No. Oh god. Ah. Okay. Gotcha. Okay, you're screwed. We got him.
Vijandelijke kruiser vernietigd.
There. Oh god.
Beman de stations.
We gotta go, 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 go. E? What does E do? Oh. Yes! Let's go. Yes! I'm a rank up. Woo!
Toegangsniveau 3 ontgrendeld. Selecteer willekeurige gevechten en speel tegen andere spelers. Speel 2 gevechten om het volgende toegangsniveau te ontgrendelen.
Oké. You want money, no. Oh. How do I... Wait a minute. How do I buy you? How do I buy you? Wait, let me... oh no. I want to... Wait, can I... What's the news? No, I just want... What is this? I want the ship! Do I have it again? Do I have it? I just wanted it, okay? How do I get it? Oh, I have no money. Wait, no, it needs this. How many stars do I have? How many? What is this? How many do I have? How many stored? Do I only have 270 stars? So that's fine. I want Casiano. You want Casiano? If I get 251, I can get Ichua. Okay, I have no idea what this is. So I think we're gonna wrap it up. So, goodbye.